All right, today we are talking about Default, our new interior detailer. Okay, so this is going to be a matte finish, all-in-one interior detailer for your leather, vinyl, and plastics, any of your porous surfaces on your interior. Now here at our facility, we just got done with a nice polish on this Genesis. We just got done with a full scrub down and disinfecting of the interior, and now we're gonna go back and we're gonna condition it, okay? So in this case, we had done a full scrub down with our Buster all-purpose cleaner, which is what you can do if your interior needs extensive work, okay? But most of you are going to use this Default as a maintenance product to keep things at their default settings, right? So all you're gonna need to do is give it a few spritzes on your towel, okay? And you're just gonna mop over said panel. So in this case, I'm just gonna go through here and mop up this seat. And this is going to, in this case, since we just did a big scrub down on it, it's gonna get up any residuals from the all-purpose cleaner that might be left behind that we didn't get mopped up, which we got 99.9% of it, but it's gonna get up any residuals there, and it's gonna leave a really nice matte factory finish. So no greasy, no shine, no sheen, no nothing like that, and it's gonna load it with moisturizers and UV blockers to keep the hide protected, okay? Now, for most of you, like I was saying, you'll use this as a maintenance product. So your vehicle is gonna be lightly dusty, lightly dirty, primarily your high traffic areas like your driver's seat, your steering wheel, your center console. Those are the areas that are gonna get the most traffic, primarily if you're driving by yourself most of the time with the occasional passenger. So you'll just do this same thing. Now, to give you an idea where you can actually see this, and I know our studly videographer Bryson will capture this seat when I'm all done with it, but same thing. So like on your doors, these have a little bit of leather and a little bit of vinyl and a little bit of plastic. I can just go over the entire thing with this. And this is gonna lift up, again, any mild soil levels, dust, hand oils, dead skin cells, things like that. It's gonna get that lifted up, and it's gonna leave a really nice crispy factory finish right behind it, okay? Now, on that note, a couple of other tools that you can use. Let's assume that maybe potentially you have a little bit more work to do on your interior. So you got your vent brush, right? You can always take and spritz a little bit of Default on the tip of this brush, and you can get in your corners and your crevices here. This is just a nice little soft boar's hair, so it's not gonna scratch anything. Get under your window switches, things like that, in your little door handle, holders right here, your hand pockets right there, down in there. Your AC vents up in the front, you can use this for that. Now, let's just say that your seats do need a little bit more attention. They need a little bit more bite, okay? There's all kinds of different things out there. There's horsehair and boar's hair brushes like this guy right here, where you could liberally spray the seat down with Default, give it a nice scrub with this to help emulsify and lift up some of that grime, and then take our utility towel and mop that up. And all in one again, you're cleaning and protecting it in one step. And then there's all kinds of little scrubby pads like this that have little fine bristles to them and stuff like that you could also use in conjunction with Default to get you a little bit more bite. Now again, if your interior is a little bit worse for wear and needs a lot more attention, I would recommend using one of these items here along with our Buster all-purpose cleaner. Go through, do a heavy spray down, scrub it down, mop it up, and then come back behind with Default if you're in that situation. But again, for a maintenance style product to do cleaning and protecting in one step, you guys are gonna love this. It's also got a leather scent. So depending on when you're watching this, one of the products that we have in line is a leather conditioner. And so that way, when you're using Default and leather conditioner at the same time to clean and condition your interior, you don't have conflicting scents. You don't have things fighting for attention. So this has got a really nice, crisp, clean leather smell to it. So you guys will really enjoy that. But when you're using this stuff, it's going to, like I said, you're just gonna spray down the towel, wipe it on, and it dries down matte finish. So I'll have Bryson close up and get a nice little segment on that so you guys can see how that works. But that's it. This is gonna go over all your porous surfaces on the inside and keep them healthy and protected while doing some mild cleaning at the same time. Simple as that. Utility towels are wonderful for that. We also have these on the site. Yeah, guess that's it. See you in the next video.